Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix YouTube clip option not showing problem or clip option not working problem in YouTube application. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in YouTube application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search YouTube app. Update your YouTube application latest version. Step 3. Again open your phone setting. Go to Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 4. Restart your device and again open it. Step 5. Again open your YouTube application. Click on any YouTube video. You can follow all of the steps to fix YouTube video clip option not showing problem solved. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.